Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about address in HTML. How can you display a contact information on your website? So in our last class we talked about definition, abbreviations, and quotations, block quotes. If you didn't watch that video, please try to refer them and go through the video, because this is just a continuation of that video. Okay, in this video we are going to be talking about the address. How can we display our address on the web browser? The address tag simply gives us contact information that it can be the owner or the author of a particular document or title. So the elements is usually displayed in the form of italics. So most browsers will add line as that is breaks on the beginning and the end of each line or each section. Okay, so the address tag is written as we have the address. They can write your contact information in between the opening and the closing tag. Here in this case, my own is written by Gabriel. Visit us at ngahtech Solutions. Then we have the website, which is UGABS. It can be an email. Then you have the PO box, Yaoundé, Cameroon. Okay, if we run this, let's run this and see how it should display on the browser. So this is how the address is being displayed on your browser. So this is displayed on your browser. So it is in the form of italic. You can actually I hope you can see it well now. It's from italic. So this is how your address is being displayed. So if you don't put the break tag after each line, it's going to be displayed on a single line. I'm sure you don't want that to happen. Okay, so if we want to display our address, this is how you are going to display our address. The next one we are going to look at here is citation. How can we cite our work title? Let's take this one off. To cite your work title, you can use the cite element, which is usually displayed with the in form of italic as well. So we are going to use the cite element. We have the opening and closing tag. Cite. In here, you can then write in the title of your work. Let's take, for example, a paragraph of P. We'll take a cite. You see what? ngahtech Solutions. We close our site. Was created in 2016. We close our paragraph. If we run this, simply going to run command, and then you see that it is also displayed in the form of italics. And this is how we can cite our work title. So it is pretty easy. So you can just do that as well if you have on your text editor. The next one we're going to look at is how can we create a bidirectional override. Right, the bidirectional override, which is we use BDO for opening tag as well as BDO for the closing tag. So some browsers may not support this bidirectional override. So but no matter the case, always try to use elements that are being supported by most browsers. Okay, in the bidirectional override, we are going to include inside that, what do? We have to give us the direction of that particular text. Which direction do we want it to go? So we want it to go from, the direction will be equals to what? Equals to, so this is the syntax. we have right to left. That's how we want our let's take it, go, let's run it. Oops, what have we done here? Okay, let's just go. I hope this is it. So if you go, you save, let's save this one, and then BDO, I think, yeah, that's what we're supposed to write. Okay, let's run. Okay, I hope you can see it now. Let's look at it again. So this is it. Yeah, okay, let's save. Right, so you can see that what it is simply just the reverse. I don't know if you can see this very well. Okay, it is the reverse. It's simply the reverse of what we have written. So by default, it is from where? It is from left to right. By default, you have to put it there. From by default, it's left to right. This is left, where R stands for right to left. Right. So by default, it's from left to right. So we can either change the direction of our, how do you want it to be displayed on the browser. Okay, so you can try this at home. And it's very pretty easy. And thank you for watching this video. This will be the end of the video for our quotation and citation. For more information, you can just contact me and or make a comment just below this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.